Good morning. Our today's discussion topics is oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A. This topics is under metabolism chapter. Oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A is oxidation of glucose type reaction. Now we came to know oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A. The end product of glycolysis is pyruvate. Further conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A is the central step. It is the link between anaerobic glycolytic pathway and aerobic glycolytic pathway, means citric acid cycle. Means this cycle, means pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A is the central step. This step connects glycolysis and citric acid cycle. The conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A occurs under aerobic condition. It occurs by oxidative decarboxylation. It is catalyzed by a complex enzyme system called pyruvate dehydrogenase. This enzyme complex is an aggregate of three specific enzymes. Number 1, pyruvate decarboxylase, dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, and dihydrolipoate dehydrogenase. Now, the reaction. First, pyruvate to active acetylaldehyde. Pyruvic acid combines with TPP to form active acetylaldehyde. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. Now, the second step, active acetaldehyde to acetyl lipoate. Active acetaldehyde combines with oxidized form of lipoic acid to form acetyl lipoate. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme dihydrolipoate transacetylase. Now, the third step, acetyl lipoate to acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl lipoate combines with coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A. Also reduced form of lipoic acid is liberated in this reaction. This reaction is also catalyzed by the enzyme dihydrolipoate transacetylase. Then lipoic acid is reduced from lipoic acid to lipoic acid oxidized from. Reduced form of lipoic acid combines with FAD and gets converted to oxidized from. FAD accepts hydrogen and it is converted to FADH2. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme dihydrolipoate dehydrogenase. Now FADH2 and lipoic acid to FAD. FADH2 transfers the hydrogen to NAD. So NAD accepts hydrogen and it is reduced to NADH2. This reaction is also catalyzed by the enzyme dihydrolipoid dehydrogenase. Thank you. In our next class, we came to know about citric acid cycle.